Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BrandKit on Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in your Shopify store URL. Press enter to navigate to your store's login page. Once the page loads, locate the login option. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a two-step verification if you have it enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section from the Shopify admin dashboard. In the Apps section, search for BrandKit. Click on the BrandKit app to launch it. You will now have access to the BrandKit dashboard. Explore the features available to create and manage your brand assets easily. Remember to log out when you're finished to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.